ThatNeedle AI is one of the most anticipated AI software releases this year, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving into it. If you've been hearing the buzz around this AI tool and wondering if it's worth your time, stick around because I'll give you a complete breakdown and some key insights that will help you decide if it's the right fit for you. First off, let's talk about how ThatNeedle AI differentiates itself. The software promises to simplify complex digital marketing tasks with an AI-powered approach that's both powerful and user-friendly. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, this software allows you to optimize your strategies without needing deep technical knowledge. That's one of the standout features. It's intuitive. For someone new to the world of AI-driven marketing tools, this is a major selling point. One of the biggest advantages of ThatNeedle AI is its ability to analyze vast amounts of data in seconds. In the digital marketing world, time is money, and ThatNeedle AI cuts down the time it takes to make critical decisions. You can analyze your competitors, track keywords, and spot trends instantly. This is essential for staying ahead in any industry where competition is fierce. If you're working on SEO or paid ads, ThatNeedle AI's data insights give you a competitive edge that you won't find with other tools. Another crucial feature is the software's ability to automate repetitive tasks, saving you hours of manual work. Imagine setting up your marketing campaigns or content strategies without worrying about the mundane details. ThatNeedle AI does this for you, allowing you to focus on strategy and creativity instead of getting bogged down in the day-to-day operations. ThatNeedle AI also stands out with its advanced reporting capabilities. It provides real-time, actionable insights that are customizable based on your specific needs. You can track campaign performance, audience engagement, and ROI with a level of precision that's hard to match with other software. This is where ThatNeedle AI really shows its value for business owners and marketers who need to make data-driven decisions quickly. For those of you who are looking to optimize your social media strategies, ThatNeedle AI integrates seamlessly with major platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. This means you can schedule posts, track engagement, and even generate AI-powered content suggestions that will boost your social media presence in no time. If you're running paid ads, the software's targeting features allow you to fine-tune your audience and maximize your budget. Let's talk about its scalability. Whether you're just starting out or have a large-scale business, ThatNeedle AI scales with you. It can handle multiple campaigns across different channels without missing a beat. If you're managing multiple clients or have a growing team, the software offers collaborative features that let you streamline your workflows and work more efficiently as a team. Finally, let's touch on security and privacy. With all the data ThatNeedle AI processes, security is a top concern. The software uses encryption and adheres to GDPR standards, ensuring that your data is protected and compliant. That's crucial in today's digital landscape, where privacy concerns are at an all-time high. If you want to give ThatNeedle AI a try for yourself, I've got a link in the description where you can sign up for a completely free trial. This allows you to experience the full power of the software with no commitment. And before you go, I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I've got a list of my top recommendations in the description below. These are tools I trust and use regularly, and you can try them out for free to see which ones work best for your needs. Make sure to check out the free trial of ThatNeedle AI and explore the other AI software options in the description. Thanks for watching.